ACCA stands for Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. Pursuing the ACCA qualification offers a myriad of benefits for students in India and abroad, positioning them for success in the global finance and accounting landscape. ACCA is recognized worldwide, unlocking Indian and international career opportunities. As businesses increasingly operate on a global scale, the demand for professionals with a globally recognized qualification is increasing. This opens doors not just in India but across continents. Choosing ACCA can be a perfect choice for students from commerce and accounting background who want to build their career in finance, accounting, audit and related areas. With ACCA, you're not just studying, you're investing in your future. Freshers in India can expect an average salary of around 8 lakhs per annum, while those abroad can earn up to 36 lakhs per annum. Big Four and many multinational companies are actively seeking ACCA qualified professionals for their finance, accounting and audit roles. So, why wait? Step into a world of limitless opportunities with ACCA and watch your career soar to new heights. Reach out to Finsharp Global Academy to register yourself and start your ACCA preparation right away.